Let's say you don't have brushes. Let's say you don't have sponges. Let's just say you have your hands. I'm going to show you how simple it is just to use hands. So I already prepped my skin, and I've already used foundation, but I could use a little bit more. So some of your fingers, you just emulsify it, and you just put it all over your face. By the way, this is Too Faced, Born This Way. I really like this foundation. This is Golden Beige. I feel like it's definitely full coverage. It's buildable. It lasts through heat and through humidity, and it's very good at hiding pores. So after that, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Lifter concealer. Okay, again, fingers. I like to take my middle finger and just pat it. Now, you think, oh, but my fingers probably won't get as good of a job as a brush. Here's the thing about fingers. It has your heat warmth. So in essence, it'll actually build more seamlessly. Now for the top, I just, these two fingers. And then for the bridge of the nose, the index finger. We are gonna set our face. And just because we are setting our face, I am gonna use those to just press on our powder. This is by Fenty Beauty. And the color is Strawberry Milk. Very fine. Bronzer, this is Façade Sun Melt. Color's medium brown. I'm gonna put it on both of my fingers. Start it here and go down. And connect them. Down again. And connect it. Both of these fingers again. Down the face. I feel like having two fingers, it just covers more space. Just like that. Again, we're gonna blend with our fingers. Push up the bronzer towards your hairline. Pat, 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 pat. Same thing with this side. Charlotte Tilbury. I feel like these two fingers are like, these two are like your power fingers. It's on my nose. Go back over here. I like this one because it's a blush highlight. So I'm basically able to hit two products into one. Okay. This is Soulmate by Morphe. This is one of my favorites. Hair on my nose. This gives the illusion just a little bigger lip. This is by Tarte Lip Pump. This is Light Blink. Push the brows up. So, like a tint gel. I'm just blending areas that I feel could use a little bit more blending in my fingers. Last but not least, setting powder. This is by Laura Mercier. And this will spray 16-hour wear. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And just remember, if whatever reason, whether you're a pinch, you forgot your brushes, you can always use your fingers to apply your makeup. Until next time, bye.